What's going on, peoples? It's Wet by Rips and Bundles coming to you live, and we're doing the Topps 2024 Chrome Star Wars Galaxy Hobby Box. It says 4 Chrome parallels guaranteed per box. $18 packs per box, 4 cards per pack. This is what the box looks like. This is a hobby box. This is exclusive, very hard to come by. This box, when it was released, was about $200 retail and sold out in like 20 minutes online. So for me to pick this box up, everyone after that missed the $200 deadline when this came out had to pay $280 and better. Right now, these boxes are going on eBay from anywhere from $285 to about $350 a box. Okay, we're gonna get cracking on this right now. See if my man Yo Groku could bless the box for us. That's what I'm talking about. R2, can we get some love over here? R2, we good to go? All right. All right. Let's do this right now on the Star Wars Chrome 2024 Topps Galaxy. Yeah, that's all right, R2. See, I give him some love, and he don't want to be quiet. Okay. This is how it's going down. Okay, the box got blessed by Groku, and R2 is ready to go. R2, you ready to go? All right. So there's 18 packs, 4 cards per pack. Let's do this. We hoping to hit some bangers in this box. I just went through the list of the most valuable cards in this box, and there was a card of Darth Vader in this box that's about $10,000. If we pull that card, we good to go. I could go and buy a case of these. Wow. Beautiful refractor card. R2, chill, bro. Look at that card. Wow. Look at the refractor on that card. Unbelievable. I've been dying to see these cards. Look at the refractor on this card. Oh my God. Look at that. Princess Leia and Darth Vader. This was from the first movie. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. That's unbelievable. Look at the artwork on this card. Got the lightsabers roaring back there. That was pack 1. See if we pull out an autograph on here. I saw another video when a kid pulled out a pack that was really fat. He said it looked like an ice cream sandwich. That's how fat the pack was. And when he opened up the pack, it was a booklet with 4 autographs in it. This is Darth Vader when he... Wow, look at that card. The Emperor right here. Darth Vader. Unbelievable. The graphics on these cards. Beautiful. Wow. Wow. I am speechless of how beautiful these cards are. Look at Luke Skywalker. Wow. Okay, so none of these cards are numbered that I know of yet. It's the N1 Starfighter here. Wow, that Luke Skywalker is amazing. 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 You can see the hazel in his eyes. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Been fighting with myself not to open this box. Unbelievable. Just look at that for a minute. Unbelievable. Look at that. Look at these cards. I think I'm gonna sleeve and top load every single card in this box. That's how beautiful these cards are. Unbelievable. I hope these guys are ready for a long video, because I'm gonna take my time. We're good, Groku? All right. Look at these cards. Look at these cards. Look at how beautiful these cards are. This is Darth Vader interrogating Princess Leia in the first Star Wars movie. Unbelievable. Unbelievable, this card. This is a refractor. Wow. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Is that incredible or what? Look at this. Look at the artwork in these cards. Now you see why these boxes are so expensive. Topps does not play when it comes to Star Wars cards. And then these are chrome cards. Unbelievable. 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 Look at this. Look at this. Look at the Emperor in the back. While the medical droid is putting back Darth Vader to health. Unbelievable. Unbelievable, these cards. This guy's a Sith. Darth Raven. Art of the Sith original art card. Unbelievable. Look at the way that pops off the light. Wow. Let me keep opening packs because I'm gonna start crying over here. And if the video goes quiet and you hear something fall down, that's me. If we pull an autograph or one of these banging cards, the video might just go quiet and you hear a big loud bang. That'll be me falling on my ass. I am a huge Star Wars fan, collector, and I've been dying to open up these boxes. This box here. It's BB-8, Adventures of BB-8. Look at how beautiful this card is. Uh-oh, lightsabers are shutting down. The one on the left went off. That red one's next. Oh shit. And the blue one. Talk to me. I got the force, guys. I got the force. The force is with me. Wow, look at this. 25th anniversary episode card. Come on, be a numbered card. Wow, look at this Ahsoka. Collect all. Jedi Slayer. Darth Maul. This card is beautiful. And my girl Ahsoka. I Bing Hang. Wow. I'm not going to sleep tonight, guys. This is Wepa for real right here. This is Wepa for real. Oh my God, these cards are beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at this. I think I'm gonna be staring at these cards all night. Unbelievable. Another refractor. Wow. Unbelievable, guys. So that was 3 packs that I opened, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that was the 3rd pack. This is pack number 4. Let's go. Let's go. Beautiful cards. Okay, this is from Return of the Jedi here. With the Ewoks, R2-D2, and CP3O. The Ewoks had C3PO like if he was a king. They treated him like he was a god. And they had him on a little throne. Beautiful card. This is Jabba the Hutt's band right there. Beautiful. Wow, this artwork is crazy, guys. Look at this. Look at this. This is when Padme passed away. This is Luke Skywalker and Princess Leia's mom when she passed away. Unbelievable. Padme. The Art of Naboo. Original art card. Padme's Amidala's funeral. And this is a numbered card. Wow. Short print, 101 of 175, guys. Can you see that? Look at the number. Oh, that's the first banger of the box right there. Beautiful card. Beautiful card. The first banger of the box. And it's a funeral card. Go figure that. Unbelievable. First banger of the box, Padme's funeral card. Wow, look at the refractor on this. Jesus. Groku, hold that for me. Right there. Let me make sure none of these other cards are numbered, because it's really hard to see if... That would have been nice if this Ahsoka was numbered. See, when they're dark, when the cards are dark in the back, it's hard to see if it's numbered or not. And that's the only numbered one so far.
I saw it the minute you turned it around. I saw it.
Yeah. Wow. Make sure none of these cards are numbered before we keep going. Unbelievable. This one should have been numbered too. That would have been beautiful. Wow. I am lost for words right now. Okay, so we're gonna put, what I'm gonna put is all the spaceship cards together. Unbelievable. Okay. Unbelievable. Unbelievable, guys. Okay, let's go with the next pack. Beautiful banger for the first card. Okay. This is Darth Vader. This is Anakin when he was already a teenager, before he became evil. Obi-Wan Kenobi. And that's Padme too, before she passed away. Look at this card, guys. Oh my God. Look at this card. Whew. Unbelievable, these cards. The beauty and the artwork in these cards. Wow. Wow, look at this card. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Unbelievable, guys. Uh-oh. This is a refractor here. Guys, you see this? You see the way that this is a prism refractor. This is a prism refractor of Darth Vader. You see the way the colors shine like little square boxes? That's a prism refractor. And this is a numbered card. Oh my God. Oh my God. Short print 42 out of 75, guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. The second banger right here. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm shaking right now, guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm shaking right now. I am literally shaking right now. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at this. Wow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. Okay. Okay. So these are two bangers so far. Both number card short prints. Wow, guys. These guys are being blessed right now. I'm telling you. I wasn't even gonna do this video. I was not even gonna do this video. I wanted to eat this all up for myself. For waiting so long to open up this box. These guys are being blessed right now. You don't even understand. I am shaking right now. There's a Darth Vader card that's a 1 of 1. On the price guide, it says that card is $10,000. So if I'm doing this video and a Darth Vader card comes out and it says 1 of 1 and the video stops, these guys already know what happened, right? Somebody's taking me to the hospital. Look at the artwork on these cards. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Beautiful, these cards. Beautiful. Oh my God. I need to take a breath. Oh my God. Guys, I cannot even contain myself right now. This is the Mandalorian card with the armorer helmet behind him. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. The Way of the Mandalorian. Oh my God, these cards are fire. Fire. Oh my God, guys. Look at this Ahsoka card. Oh my God. This is my girl right here. Rosario Dawson. Puerto Rican. And she plays this character beautifully. Oh my God. Darth Vader card right there. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Look at the refractor, the way that card pops. Look, you can even see my reflection off of this card on the video. Wow. Come on, be numbered, guy. Nope. And this is the original poster of the Return of the Jedi card or movie. Wow, look at the refractor on that. Dynasty of a Jedi. Okay, I'm gonna start sleeving all of this up. I'm not opening up anything else until I sleeve all of this up because I do not want any of these cards to get scratched or damaged. Unbelievable. Unbelievable, these cards are so beautiful. I thank God that He allowed me to have the opportunity to get one of these boxes. I woke up so early in the morning when these boxes were released, and when I got online, they emailed me that these cards were going on sale at 12 o'clock in the afternoon. And I got emailed the day before, and I was already up at about 9:30 in the morning, and I put my computer on at about 10:30 and stood in front of the computer till about 11:55, and I was so nervous because I thought I was gonna get a box. As soon as they went on sale, not even a minute later, all the pictures of the boxes said out of stock. I wanted to cry. I emailed Topps Company and I cursed at them in like 5 different languages on the email. That they didn't even answer my email. They did not answer my email for about maybe 3 months. That's how much I went in on them. for just playing everyone like that. If that happened to me, imagine everyone else, all the Star Wars collectors that went online and tried to purchase a box like this. My local card shop, which I have to give a shout out to, TJT Sports, the owner Tim. He got 3 cases of this. He has 2 stores, one in Harrisburg and one in Lebanon. He got 3 boxes, sold 2 boxes in Harrisburg in one day. And the other box went in Lebanon. And I happened to walk into his store when he had 2 boxes left. And he told me to take one, because he knew how much of a fan of Star Wars I am. And I busted his chops waiting for these cards to come out. I was so happy when I came home. When you have friends and people you do business like that, that's a blessing. And I thought that he gave me the box for pretty cheap, because once these boxes go out of sale, once they go on sale and they get sold out, you see people asking for these boxes $400 and $500 a box. Go on eBay after you watch this video and look up Star Wars. Look up 2024 Topps Chrome Star Wars Galaxy box to see if I'm playing around or if I'm fibbing to you about how much these boxes go for. A case, I think a case is 12 boxes of these, and a case is going for about $3,100 for a case of these boxes. Okay? But you see the artwork. These cases could go for about $5,000, and people would still buy them running. Okay? That's how beautiful these cards are. I'm so elated right now that I have the chance to even do this, to even open up one pack of these cards. And I know I'm going to be blessed to be able to open up another pack, especially if I pull out a monster card from in here. If I pull out a card that's like about $8,000 to $10,000, that card's going for sale, and I'm gonna go get me a whole case so that I could just sit down and open up one box. I'll probably open up one box every 2 or 3 days just till I got it out of my system. But these cards are freaking beautiful. I'm shaking. Look, I can't even put it inside the top loader. Wow. God is good. God is good all the time. Okay, guys, let's do another pack right now. Before I turn this video off, and I just want to open them up all and eat this all up to myself. Next pack. Next pack. Okay, let's go. Let's see if we get some more love. An autograph. Or another autograph or another numbered card. Everything sleeved up. Wow, look at that card. Darth Vader on top of his ship. Unbelievable. Not numbered. Braver than the most. Beautiful card. Beautiful card. Look at this. Ashoka versus Darth Maul. Wow. Wow. One last lesson. Ashoka Tano versus Darth Maul. Wow. Beautiful cards, man. Beautiful cards. This is Rey. The Duel of Rey. Beautiful cards. Wow, look at this. Naboo Abyss. And this is numbered, the third banger. Wow. All right, guys. This is numbered, okay, 106 out of 199. Yep, 106. 106 out of 199. Wow, guys. Unbelievable. That's 3 bangers so far. And I'm not even halfway through the box. Oh my God. I think I'm gonna have a heart attack by the time this video's over. My wife is sitting right behind me and she's more excited than I am, because she knows how much I love this and how much I've been fighting with myself not to open up this box. Look at how beautiful that card is. Unbelievable. Unbelievable, guys. 3 number cards already. I break sports cards and I've never opened up a pack and had 3 numbered cards in a box. Maybe 1 or 2, but not 3. I even lost count of what pack this is and I don't care anymore. I am so elated right now, guys. I feel like a little kid and my mom just brought me to Toys R Us and the only thing that was in there was Star Wars toys. Wow. Wow. This is the same card. And this might be number 2, I think. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at this card, guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. At drivers. Is this card beautiful or what? Unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable. He's killing the Sandman right there. Unbelievable, guys. I can't even control my emotions right now. Wow. Okay, guys. I'm gonna open up one more pack, and then I'm gonna make a part 2 of this video. Okay. Let's go. One more pack. I am just, forget it. Look at Kylo. Look at Kylo's card. Look at this card, guys. Jesus Christ. Unbelievable. Oh my God. Guys, look at these cards, guys. Look at these cards, guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Defender of the Empire. Oh my God, guys. Look at him being interrogated by Yoda. Unbelievable. 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 Unbelievable, guys. Look at the artwork on these cards, the way that they refract off the light. These are the most gorgeous cards I've seen in my life. Okay, guys. I really can't keep going right now because I can't even control myself right now. Let me see how many packs are left. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there's 1, 2. There's 2 packs there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's half of this box. I'm gonna take a break, guys, because I need to get myself together. I am sick right now. I'm gonna do a part 2 of this video. I'm gonna put these cards together and fix myself up, and then I'll do another part of this video. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel. And let me know which card you thought was the hottest card out of these first 9 packs. This is Wepa Rips and Bundles signing out. May the force be with you. Peace.